Okay, it's another in a series of trap math SAT problems. There's a basic trap to this problem. This is number 5 in the calculator, so it's not really that hard a problem. But one of the things you could do is you could try flipping it. X over 5 equals, you flip those sides. And that doesn't really help you too much, so you can get confused that way. Now you can try plugging in the answers. Now, if you plug in the answers, it's asking, not, these are answers for x over 5, not x. So then you'd have to multiply them by 5. And if we do the first one, if you plugged in the 10, I think that works. So probably the answer is actually 2. But you would do 5 over 50 equals 15. You have to see if the statement's correct. And then that answer works. So 1/10 equals this is 15/70, which is 3/14. This is clearly not correct. Maybe plug in 25. We have 5 over 25 equals 15 over 25 plus 20, which is 1/5, equals 15 over 45, which is 1/3, which doesn't work. Now we plug in 10 or 2, because again it's x over 5. Then we have 5 over 10 equals 15 over 10 plus 20 is a half equals a half. So that's the answer. Would be C as in cat. And again, the trap also would be to think it was A, because it says x over 5 and not x. Now, there's an algebraic way of doing this pretty easy. But we're going to solve again for x. So if we cross multiply, we have 5 times x plus 20. Now, students like to cross multiply often when it's not the best thing to do, but in this case, cross multiplying is good. And this is 5x plus 100 equals 15x. And 10x equals 100. X equals 10. And again, you might think the answer was A. Again, this trap. But it's asking for x over 5, so you want 10 over 5, which is 2. Okay, not that hard a problem, but a very trappy type of problem is typical of this exam. This is my book on the Math ACT. It's the only book that emphasizes the most difficult material. It's extremely comprehensive, covers anything you need. Study it thoroughly, you'll get a top score. Goes over a lot of trick solutions, different ways approaching problems.